growing up, and I grew up in a very small town where everybody looked the same and they had the same background. And I didn't have that exact background because in my family, there is a genetic mutation called Waardenburg Syndrome. And what it does, basically, is it alters your facial features. And we just have wider set features and broader features. And I think it's gorgeous and I think it's stunning. But for a long time, I couldn't look in the mirror without hyperventilating because I was taught by my peers that it was inherently ugly. And it wasn't, and it never was. So that was really the first experience I had with bullying. And then as I grew up, I came to understand that I was transgender and that I had to transition for my mental health, otherwise I couldn't live. Like there was no option, there was no confusion, there was just, I understand this now, that I'm a woman and this is what I have to do. When it comes to people deleting images in a reaction to harassment, it's something that I've experienced. A couple of years ago, I did just that. I deleted an image because people made me feel bad about myself. And it's extremely unfortunate, I think, a very big problem that so many people and so many images were removed out of embarrassment or out of a forced shame. And I think we need to do something about it. Being shameless and proud of who you are and what you look like is totally okay. And I think more of us need to have that look at me attitude, because there's nothing wrong with that. And showing people that you love yourself is a great way to teach them to love themselves too.